Lucky boy, lucky boy. Lucky boy, lucky boy.
75% reservation to men non-tribal.
Nakado.
75% reservation to men non-tribal. Reservation to men non-tribal. We want justice. BoNSU long live. Our unity long live.
And safeguard the constitutional provisions of the borders as given by the Constitution of India by taking intact the spirit of sixth schedule. Today we are demanding, since after BTR agreement with the signatories, it has been already 3 years. There is no any recruitment policy in BTC sixth schedule. And today through this memorandum, we are demanding, we are submitting to the Prime Minister, to the President of India, to the Home Minister of India, to the Chief Minister of Assam and the Governor of Assam, through the Deputy Commissioner of Kokrajhar. Immediately, the Central Selection Board that has already defunct, and this should be revived, and the recruitment policy for the unemployed youths in the BTC region should start immediately. It has been already 3 years. There is no any recruitment here in this BTC 6 schedule. To say that the government, the administration of BTC is total failure and the state government is total failure. And in spite of this, we are also demanding, since the medical college is coming already, and this medical college in Kokrajhar Medical College is founded, is established after a long struggle and after a long bloodshed of the Bodo youths. So, keeping intact as per the rules of the sixth schedule, we are demanding 75% reservation seats in third grade and fourth grade. And as a whole, the people of BTC should get 100% reservation here in this medical college in third grade and fourth grade. But as if now, we have seen many people coming from non-BTC are already employed here, and it is very unfortunate. And we are giving a stern warning to the administration of medical college. If you don't obey, if you don't uh, give a job to the localities, to the people of BTC, then we have no choice but to go for democratic movement, and we will never allow the medical college to open unless and until if the local people are not given a chance in this medical college. And we are also, through this memorandum, demanding 75% reservation seats in all the government services.